Okay everyone, now this is not a woodworking video, as you guys can already tell by the title and thumbnail. In this video I'll be installing a fog light harness kit and the actual fog lights. Now, why am I making this video? I'm making it because frankly there aren't that many videos. It didn't really explain or go into detail in terms of hookup of the harness itself, so that is what I'm going to attempt to do in this video. Now, if you do have questions about any of the steps that I do, please leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to address them. Let me show you what I ordered online. And this actually arrived a lot sooner than I was expecting. I was in the middle of a woodworking project, but I figure I can, spend an hour doing this and then get back to my woodworking project. I ordered this wiring harness from Gen5DIY.com. Don't worry, they're not sponsoring me. Actually, I'll try to leave a link in the description. Now, this wiring harness, there are 3 versions that I ordered. Was the 250500. This particular version allows the fog lights to stay on anytime that the headlights are on. The second version, once you use your high beams, the fog lights will turn off. And I think the reason for that is because it's mandatory or required in some states. And then the last version, or the last kit, comes with a switch for your pickup truck. Now, why am I going this route? I'm going this route because, as many people have indicated on other videos, to get fog lights installed at the dealer on a new truck, you're looking at about maybe $550. I'm going the less expensive route and actually doing this myself. It's a simple plug and play. I did have to order the fog lights. The fog lights are OEM. They arrived yesterday. I'll be unboxing those in a minute. Now, I did see a video, one guy, splicing and dicing and all kinds of stuff. Not this harness, but a different harness. And there was just way too much work involved. I didn't want to have to mess with all that. Again, this is a simple plug and play. I'll show you the components really quickly. This is the relay that makes the lights come on and off, or the fog lights come on and off. There are 4 cables coming out, and those 4 are just one cable for the battery. You don't need to ground this particular harness. The next shortest one is this one. Now this one, you have to unplug your passenger side headlight and plug this in to the headlight. The female portion will actually accept the factory plug into this side. And then the last 2 is the one that actually plugs into your fog lights. And of course, the last one is for the driver's side fog light. Before we install this harness though, what I'm gonna do is install my fog lights. So let's check them out, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, so if you were to go to the dealer, they do a whole process where they actually install a on-off switch inside your truck, and it needs to be coded into the truck's computer and whatnot, and too much nonsense. You don't need to go through all that. There we go. Nice bubble wrap. What's this? Oh look, check this out. I didn't know they sent this. This is an actual OEM part. Again, this is if you want to install. Interesting. Okay, never mind. We won't be using this anyway. Again, it's going to be hardwired. So let's see the oh, look at that. This is the right side. Look at this beauty. It's LED, of course. Made in Mexico. Well, everything is made somewhere else, I guess, these days. And see this one. Same thing. They oh, there's an adjustment knob here. That's pretty cool. It's easily accessible once it's installed. If you want to go aim it higher or lower, I guess. That is pretty cool. Nice heat sink here. Let's cover this up for now. This connection. It is a little wet out here in Southern California. We do have some rain. We don't want any moisture getting inside those terminals and creating condensation within the actual fog lamp. Oh, check this out. Check this out. When you order the fog lamps directly from GM, they also send you this wiring harness. We're not going to use this. Again, this is only if you're going to plug it into your truck and have that manual switch. Check out that white bow tie. Yeah, baby. Chevy all the way. No fog lamps. Alright guys, first things first, let's remove that cover. Let's see if I can get my camera in here. Okay. Now we take a 7mm or a socket, and there's 3 fasteners. Just take them off. All right, voila. And now we bring over our fog lamp. Guys, here's a fog lamp. There it is. Chato, Chato. Fit it in there. Let's see, like so. All right, that's 1. Okay, that's 2. I'm just gonna hand tighten for now. Very nice. There it is. Excellent. Now we do the other side. There it is. Much better. Versus no bueno. Fog lights are installed. Next step is we'll be installing the harness itself. We'll be using the electrical components or wiring from the headlight, which is, see that red tab right at the end of my stick? Well, you have to pull that back and then you'll be able to remove it. So this is a little simple to do, but you know, if you didn't know how to remove it, you probably spend a good 15-20 minutes trying to figure it out without trying to break the piece. So this is the part that we have to connect directly to the headlight. Oh, there it is. Woo! Okay, so you definitely, well, I'll show you on this one. So this is the exact same thing, except this is the wiring harness. Again, you pop this tab, the red tab back, and you have to press this black tab down. When you press it down, you simply pull out the connector.
¿Eso viene siendo como de para de emergencia?
No, es como que se ve chingón.
Ay, Francisco.
Alright guys, so I decided to run the wires down the bottom across the bottom of the truck to each headlight. This, let's see, I already ran one, which is this one. This is for the passenger side fog light. The way I did that, I took some painter's tape, wrapped the tip of the fog light into this or around it and onto the this line, and just fished it through the top of the wheel well down the bottom. Give me the blue tape.
Hi guys. Hi. Daddy, what is that red thing and that blue thing right there?
The red thing and blue thing?
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's just connectors. Alright, so now we got 2 wires, passenger and driver side. I just gotta wire it into the battery now, this cable here, and we'll be done. I could go and access the battery positive terminal through here, but instead I'm just gonna lift off the entire thing and put it around this way. All right, let's use our 13 mil socket.
What's that for, Daddy?
I'm gonna loosen it up. Can I borrow it?
Sure.
Thank you.
It's heavy.
Nice and tight. All right, now I just gotta drill the relay into this so it's nice and secure. There it is. There it is. Here's a harness connector to the headlight. Just like that. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's see. Right, Emily? All right. She's a grease monkey, I guess. My daughter's gonna take the. Can you go more inside? This way. There you go. She's gonna take the passenger side connector and pop it in. Let me take off the tape. Give me a second, Emily. Push it in. Oh, you heard that click?
Yep.
Good. All right, that's in. All right, take off that tape. Okay, I know it's not nighttime yet, but let's give these fog lights a try. They've been zip tied, connected, and fully installed. So let's check them out. What do we have, guys? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Between the headlights, LEDs, and these are probably blinking because of the camera refresh rate or whatever it's called. But hell yeah, 1,000 times more better. Loving it. All right, and through the magic of TV, here's the night view.
Can I see?
A remote start.